Hey guys, this is Justin Johnson here at Clearwater MarineMax. We're here in our awesome showroom, 40,000 square feet, fully AC'd. But today I'm going to show you an awesome boat here. This is Boston Whalers 240 Dauntless. This boat can actually come in a 27 as well, and then we have another 24 with an option with a tower. That would be our 24 Pro. This one in particular is powered by a 300 Mercury. Trim tabs, as you can see. Take a walk around this boat. It's absolutely beautiful. The lines on it are flawless. Go ahead and jump up in here real quick and show you some more features of this boat. So, starting back here in the back, you have 4 rod holders. Nice big casting deck for fishing or just hanging out and lounging. Can flip this up and actually make it a big seat. Beautiful modernized dash here. This is where your live well is going to be located, right here. A very big live well, big enough to hold all your whitebait, pinfish, shrimp, all that good stuff. There are actually cushions that are going to go up here on this big casting deck. This one's equipped with a vacuum flush head. There's a ton of room to actually get down in here, especially for a 24-foot boat. It's going to be another live well up front. Just an absolutely flawless boat. This boat is a true hybrid. If you want to go 40 miles offshore, grouper and snapper fish, you can. If you want to go inshore, fish in 1.5 foot of water, 2 foot, and catch your snook and redfish, you absolutely can. This boat's going to do it all. Come out here, check it out. Again, my name's Justin Johnson here at Clearwater MarineMax. Have a fantastic day.